Welcome to this tutorial, where I will show you how to change the chat background in the Viber app on your phone using your own photo. Customizing your chat background can make your conversations more personal and enjoyable. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom right tap on More. This will open a menu with several options. Next, tap on Settings to access the app's settings. Then, scroll down until you find the Appearance option and click on it to open your display settings. After that, scroll down again until you see Change Default Background. Tap on this option. You will see an icon that looks like a picture at the top of the screen. Tap on this icon. This action will open your phone's gallery or photo selection tool. Now choose the photo you want to use as your new chat background. Once you select the image, tap on Save at the bottom of the screen. This will apply the new background to your Viber chats. Finally, to make sure the background has been updated, go back to your messages and open any chat. You should now see your selected photo as the chat background. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new chat background.